Hi everyone, I am Preston from Carsen Sirens. I'd like to share with you the BTS that I was at last week. Crazy, it's already been a week. Um, the BTS meaning by I'm going to share what I was doing down in La Crosse, why I went down there, and what I did down there. This is going to be the explaining part, the video of the BTS. I have the video. I'm not going to put it in this video because otherwise this video is going to be like a half hour long. But it's going to either be in my 4 hour long BTS or just a video. I don't really know. I think I'm just going to put it in a video for show. But this is the explaining part. So all the way back after Colfax and Bloomer, I wanted to meet up with a siren enthusiast again. So I wanted to I've been getting messages from new people down in La Crosse, Wisconsin AAS in particular, messaged me about a few different videos because he found my channel. I think it was on the Colfax 508 video. We're talking, see if I can get him up here, but no, it wasn't an option. So I was like, oh, okay. So I just brushed that off. 2 weeks in to August after the test, monthly test for August, I was deciding where I wanted to go. I had my target plans. I had two of my targets planned. I was going to do a 2905 in Stanley, and then head on over to Red Mountain and do the P50 or 2135 for people who want to make life hard. You can call it both. It's pretty much the same thing. I wanted to do that, and I stuck with that. And I said, there's really nothing that's going to make me change that plan. Okay. I said, there's nothing to make that change that plan. Then, after that, I felt a little lonely because I'm going to be traveling 2 hours anyways. I said, what's going to be worth traveling 2 hours for a minute siren and a 3-minute siren? That's 4 minutes of sirens for it's actually 4 hours. Because if I do, because I'm coming back too. Gotta remember that. So I'm not just staying there forever. So then I decided to see what he was doing down in La Crosse. See if he was doing anything interesting. I messaged. Heard that him, Dippy 1, and BNSF Lover were doing West Avenue 2001. I was about to back out right at that moment, but I was going to see if they wanted to do a different, like a 508. I wish they still had their Thunderbolts, but I wanted to see if they do a 508, even though Diagonal Road is now over-recorded. I was going to see if they wanted to do 508 anyways. Well, down there, over-recorded, I'm just saying that for down there, over-recorded is not a word, because I understand that's all they pretty much got down there is 201s and 508s, and it's pretty much boring until you go over to the town of Croston, La Crescent, and they got everything good. But anyways, that doesn't bother me. But I just decided, well, a 2001 is kind of boring, so I just wanted to do something a little more louder per se, a little more punchy, and a little better design. So I tried to, I did Diagonal Road. I messaged La Crosse, Wisconsin AAS about that. He asked the BNSF Lover and Dippy 1. They were on board with it. So we had that finalized. I talked to Dippy 1, exchanged a few messages, same with BNSF Lover, exchanged a few messages, talked to him on Instagram the night before, and everything was final because if I went down there and they weren't there, I would be next level of triggered. So everything was finalized, and by the way, I ended up being the last person there, which is not me, so it was kind of funny. But I left that morning, September 2nd, Labor Day. Headed on down there. I got there. Actually, now I'm thinking about it, I might put the BTS in because it's not going to be that long. I got down there. We did the 508 while we were there. Carsen Culpitt, Culpitt. Okay, just he'll put it in the comments. I'll say it. Also joined us out of surprise with like 5 minutes to spare. He joined us out of surprise, which was a nice surprise because now we got 5 people there. 5 people actually at that total site. There were 6, 7, 8 people, including my parents and Jack's mom. There were 7 people there, or 8 people. I forgot what number I just literally said. So after that, we did a little rail fanning over on Farnham Street, 28th and Farnham Street. There's a 2T22. We saw the old AR timer on that. It's one of those really old 50s AR timers. Saw the 2T22, did some rail fanning, got about 4 or 5 trains there. Went over to Coney Island. They were closed. Went over to McDonald's. They were open. Had a bite to eat. Then we went and did a little more rail fanning. I did 2 more trains over there at an inactive Model 5 at Shelby Fire Department. Tried to see if we could get somebody out of there, but in Labor Day, nobody was there. We did actually catch somebody in the end, but he knew nothing about it. So, did a little rail fanning. We got the double BNSF train there, meet up. And yeah, so I guess now I'm just basically going to throw the BTS in. So since I want to throw the BTS in, otherwise, if I did want to, I'd be talking for like 15 minutes to give you every detail. But I tried to summarize this up, and I summarized it up pretty good in 6 minutes. So, yeah, enjoy the BTS.
It's 11:01. What if it doesn't go?
I give them like 5 minutes. I have my phone, so I'll call dispatch. Yeah, I'll call dispatch.
Right now. This has happened to me before on Labor Day.
Oh, they just wait?
Or they don't do it.
Oop.